Here's my piglet Sue, she's got the flu. I brought her to the vet today to see what she could do. And here's my parrot Jack, he loves to snack. He ate all of Sue's food, now his tummy's not so good.
No more cracker.
Does Vet Johnson always make them better?
Nearly every time.
You know what, Mum? I think Triggs is going to be okay.
I think you're probably right, Maddie.
I'll wait patiently. I'll wait and see. If he walks through the door with this bark back like before, he might be feeling sad. He might have an owie. Triggs will snuggle up beside me. I'll make sure that he's comfy.
It's Vet Johnson and Triggs. Good news, everyone. I pulled a thorn out of his paw, bandaged him up, and now he's as good as new.
Fantastic!
And what about his wolf?
Judge for yourself.
Oh, woof, woof, woof. Oh, Maddie, Vet Johnson is the best. She made me all better. I got my woof back, woof, shouted out. No sweeter sound than laughing out loud when I was feeling sore. I knew outside the door my friend was waiting for me. That's what friends are for.
Sometimes we all get scared when friends are under the weather. We let them know we care, help them to feel better. Sometimes we all get scared when friends are under the weather. We let them know we care, help them to feel better. We look out for each other.
Tis nice for now, but I've seen many's the castle crumble into that there sea.
We built this castle from water and sand. It's the finest castle in all the land. We built this castle from water and sand, all for Sailor Nancy.
From seashells we made the windows with the feather in the dirt like a flag. When the wind blows seashells, we made a lovely home for Sailor Nancy.
Ah, but that there tide is coming in. What'll happen to the castle when the waves come near? If that there tide keeps coming in, watch out, Sailor Nancy.
Oh no, Triggs! The castle walls are starting to fall into the moat. And the shells and feathers too.
Castle walls are falling down. Ah, watch out, the sailors shout. Castle walls are falling down. Take over, Sailor Nancy.
The tides came in and the waves got closer. Our castle got swallowed up by water. The tide came in and the waves got closer. Farewell to Sailor Nancy.
Maybe there's somewhere a bit safer to build your castle, Maddie?
Tides come in and tides go out. Castles get built and castles come down. Tides come in and tides go out. Hooray for Sailor Nancy.
This castle is going to be even better. You're going to love it, Sailor Nancy.
What do we eat? Why, crunchy, munchy, delicious leaves, of course. Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please. Oh, look at this tasty, scrumptious leaf. It's my crunchy lunch and also my home. But then you come along like you own each living thing. and you scrunch my leaf up like it's yours to own. Hey, won't you leave my leaf alone? Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.
Rich, we're very sorry. This leaf is so special new. If only there was something helpful we could do.
If there was something that you wanted, like doggy bickies or jet skis.
Well, I do like leaves.
That's it, Triggs. You're a genius.
I am?
Rich, we're gonna get you lots and lots of lovely leaves.
Oh, of course, Maddie. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.
La 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 la.
Why don't you try, Harriet?
Okay then, here goes nothing. La da la dee da la da dee da.
Oh, this sounds good. I wonder what it would sound like if you both sang together.
Wanna give it a go, Harriet?
Okay then.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's so beautiful. Their voices and the echoes. It's like a magical choir. Maddie, Harriet, that was wonderful.
There's a duck with the fiddle, going diddle diddle, a trio of singing sheep. There's a pig on piano and a singing goose called Anna, and a horse that's tapping its feet. There's a cow chorus slowing and a heffalump blowing, starting to sound like a charm. But there's one horse missing on something needs a fixing on Denny McGinty's farm. Gary the finger picking chicken. Gary, won't you go out and play?
Maddie, whatever you are doing, it is working a charm. This lot have never sounded better.
There's a tiny little monkey and a sounding kind of funky, playing on the pots and pans. The cat's come from the barn and she's got a French horn. The mice are hiding behind the lamb. There's a horsey playing cello and the donkey sings soprano. Sounds like an alarm. The animals are playing.
The diva donkey's braying.
The crowd are happy swaying. McGinty's nerves are fraying. The cows shall be playing on Dame McGinty's farm. Gary, the finger picking chicken. Gary, won't you come out and play? Take it away, Gary.
Gary's sounding better than ever.
Oh, he's back to his best, isn't he?
It's amazing what shall be on Dame McGinty's farm.
I wonder if I can remember that first tune I learned.
That's it. It sounds great, Maddie.
I think Cordelia can help it sound even better. So what do you think, Maddie? One last song on the old xylophone?
I learned to love music on this toy. It brought me so much joy. Not sure I'm ready to let go. I can't get it back, no, no, no. I'm so confused. What should I do? Should I keep it? I don't know. Let it go. I don't know. What should I do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh?
That's a lovely song, but Billy wants me to ask Mrs. S if there are any socks for sale.
Sure, there's a sock stand near Maddie.
What do you think of these, Billy? He loves them.
Do you know, isn't it great the way people donate all these things and they bring so much joy to other people? And sheep.
Should I keep it? I don't know. Let it go. I don't know. What should I?
Why did you change your tune, Maddie?
I didn't, Triggs. That's not me playing the xylophone. It's Sally. Aw, Sally's playing her first song.
Well done, Sally. Gorgeous.
I learned to play music on this toy. Now it's bringing other people joy. This little girl is playing a new song. She seems to love this toy just like me. And now I know what it's meant to be.